Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at what does the infinity symbol button in Apple Music do on the iPhone 15 series. Now this button here is the autoplay button. You can tap on it to turn on or turn off autoplay. So what does autoplay do? Autoplay takes the work out of choosing what to play next. Just play a song in your music player, then autoplay finds similar songs and plays them afterward. So here I've got say Sway, right? So I'll tap on that and I'll play the song. Then I tap on this list button, and at the top here I will tap on this button so I can tap on it to switch it on. And from now on I do not have to search for music. The music app will automatically play the next song similar to what you are currently playing right now. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or off. You can tap on that infinity button to switch it off if you do not want Apple to play similar songs next. And that's it. To simply turn it on or off, just tap on that button there. If you turn off autoplay in one of your devices, then autoplay is turned off on any devices that sign in with your same Apple ID. So it is interconnected. So by tapping on this button here, it will sync across all your connected devices. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.